Hello to all my friends out there. So this is a tasty turkey burger. I fried this turkey burger in bacon grease. Okay, so I last time I was on the low carb diet, I would diet 3 days and then I was off 4 days. But I learned something on the last go around. I haven't been on a diet since I've been sick that time in January. But what I discovered is if you start your diet for dinner, that's a half day. And then if you don't eat on the 4th day, which is the last day of the diet until noon, that's essentially 4 days on and 3 days off, but you don't actually feel it. And then on your diet, on your diet days, just eat as much low carb food as you want. But on the days when you're eating anything you want, just don't start eating until noon. And, then I'm up late, so, it works out pretty good. Let's flip it. Okay, it's looking good. I have cheese in that hamburger, so I'll go back over here now. Okay, look what I found today out by the dumpster. Okay, if you can find stuff, this is a painting. I don't know if it's an actual painting or if it's something someone bought and they left it by the dumpster. So I said, okay, I'll take it as free. And what I'll do is I'll sell it at the swap meet for $3. So, there's $3 I got. I want to encourage you guys to try and find curbside merchandise. If you can find $3 a day, that's $90 a month. I kind of like it just because I was getting sick of my other. I want to keep cooking my turkey burger because I find it so disgusting when it's raw. So, what I will do is I will eat as much, high protein food like cottage cheese, like meat, like bacon as I want. And then I will tame down the sugar and the flour, but basically I will eat almost anything I want, and I will show you what I eat. And I'll probably, keep this up for a while if nothing goes wrong. So I want to make myself a tasty little salad. If I make a little bit too much salad, that's okay because I'll just eat it later, I think about a half a tomato is enough. I mean, a half a tomato. I usually like small tomatoes, but when I was at the store today, 99-cent only, they didn't have any small tomatoes. So I said, okay, I guess this means I'm having large tomatoes. Usually for me, if I have lettuce and tomatoes, that is a good enough salad. It doesn't have to be, some, great salad. But today, I still had half the avocado left, so I kind of needed to eat a salad tonight. And I just put my my avocado in my cherry tomato container. I'm trying not to, save everything because what I have been doing all day, and it's been very unpleasant, I'm throwing my avocado seeds away. Somebody told me it takes 10 years for an avocado tree to grow. So thank you guys for the comments. I read the comments. Comments are good. So I bought this avocado at Walmart for 50 cents, and it's really good avocado. And so, I was out there walking around, and I forgot to get in some more avocados, but, tomorrow is another day. So then, after my walk, I got home, and what I've been doing all day is housework because I'm still feng shuiing the house. But out here, it's so brutally hot that it is really hard to force yourself to do any, even when, I don't care where I go, no, it's not right. I'm not cool. Well, it finally cooled down today. So I was doing housework all day long. I'll just cut this little bit of brown stuff off. I could eat it, but I don't want to. And so I was doing housework, and so around 6:30 I thought, and I'm working on the food storage. So about 6:30 I thought, well, you know, I think I'll run up to Walmart and get some boxes and some of that Gorilla tape, you know, so when I put my food storage in the boxes, the stuff doesn't fall through, because that is super annoying when that happens. I think my turkey burger is about done. Let's see. Oh, it's good. It's sticking to the bottom of the pan. Oh, see how much better this looks now? Now, Rhoda, that looks like a greasy mess. No worries, you guys. I'm going to drain it a little bit. Okay, so I'm not going to be suffering when I'm on a diet, because if you're suffering, you're not going to stay on it. You're going to say to yourself, heck with this stupid diet. I'm not even going to last until half a day. But it's not that bad. There's lots of sugar-free snacks. I like sugar-free Jell-O with, you know, you can get sugar-free yogurt and put that on top. If I want to, I let myself eat, so I bought 99 cents. I let myself eat fruit, which is technically not really for low-carb diet. But since I am not a lover of fruit, that is safe. You know, maybe some pineapple or something like that, you know. I'll tell you when I eat it. Salads, you know, like tuna salads, chicken salads, whatever kind of salads you kind of like. Maybe get some more avocados for 50 cents tomorrow. We had avocado trees the whole time I was growing up. So, you know, I'm not like, oh, yummy avocados. I do like them, though. But, I mean, you know, when you can have them anytime you want. Same thing with mangoes. When you can have them anytime you want, the thrill is gone. All right, now let me give you my delicious turkey burger recipe. Okay, so what I have found with this is any kind of turkey. Now that $1.69 turkey is kind of loose for this, but if you make your burgers very small, you can control them. And then I use any kind of cheese, salt, pepper, Worcestershire sauce, and any kind of mustard. So what I had stockpiled a while back was this cheese from Walmart. I'm eating my freezer down for a while. I need to reduce the amount of stuff I have in there. It's really terrible. And then I bought these. I'm going to have a lot of olives. I like olives. I didn't buy these on purpose at the 99-cent store, but once I got them, I liked them. And then I have some. So now I'll just flip my burger. See the grease? What I do when I cook the turkey burgers, because I think they taste so awful when they're not fully cooked, is when I fry them on the first side, I fry the turkey burger until it's probably 99% done before I flip it. This is good. So I'm not going to be suffering. I'll probably buy some kind of sugar-free popsicles or something. And I don't restrict salad dressing. I'm not going to put my salad dressing on the whole thing because, you know, that's a lot of salad. So I was at the Walmart getting boxes for my food storage, and the lady said, "So, are you moving?" And I thought, well, you know, that's weird. No, I'm not moving. I'm just boxing up my food. I'm boxing it in small boxes so that if I ever had to move it, I could get it out of here And I was walking to my car and I thought about there's no boxes. And so I'm thinking possibly people are moving because, you know, they have their rent forgiveness has run out. So you guys start thinking about your food. Could I get my food out of my house within minutes if I had to? Would I hurt myself getting my food out? If I do have to evacuate, what do I want to take with me? So I've been working on that. And you know, the feng shui thing, there's no end to it. If I can, I will try to do some balcony picnics. Okay, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.